city of Mumbai now, where Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live. Pankaj, clearly the winds are picking up. There's also reports of heavy rain in the city of Mumbai. The concern, however, Pankaj, is that this could deter the fight against COVID. What steps are being taken by the administration to ensure that, patients don't struggle, that families don't struggle? Very often in cyclones, we see power outages also. So what's being done on these fronts?
Akshita, there is prediction of heavy to very heavy rainfall for Mumbai, accompanied with heavy winds. So it's already getting windy here. We are at the Juhu beach, and as of now, it's been raining very heavily in certain suburbs, and the wind is also gaining in speed. It's being said as the day progresses, the wind speed could touch upon 70 to 80 km per hour mark as well. Here, even though, have a look at the Juhu beach right now, the sea looks ferocious. There are thick black clouds all over, an indicator perhaps as the day passes by. This cyclone might pick up some intensity here in Mumbai as well. But as far as the COVID situation is concerned, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra has said that he is going to ensure that oxygen supply remains uninterrupted, electricity supply remains uninterrupted, and more than 600 COVID patients at this point of time have already been transferred to various government facilities from the COVID centers as well. The entire coastal belt is in a state of alert. The NDRF teams have been deployed at the various beaches in and around Mumbai. There is state of alert everywhere. Disaster management units are on alert. The officials of various departments are on alert. And even though it has been said that as far as Mumbai is concerned, it is not in the direct line, but since the morning hours, it's been raining heavily in certain suburbs. And here I can see that the wind is slowly gaining speed as well. And the NDRF team says that it is in a state of total alert for Mumbai. And various teams are going to be deployed along the various beaches. Mumbaikars have been advised not to venture out of their houses and not to venture near the sea at all. This could be dangerous. But most importantly, looking at the COVID situation, Mumbai has to receive around, Maharashtra rather has to receive around 160 metric tons of oxygen from Jamnagar in Gujarat. If the cyclone indeed moves towards Gujarat, then the government will have to make alternate arrangements for the various districts where the COVID centers need oxygen supply. So these are critical times, but the Chief Minister has said that all the precautionary measures have been taken, and as the day passes by, one will have to wait and watch as to what the cyclone does in Mumbai. But for now, what I can tell the viewers is it's raining in certain suburbs, and here at the Juhu beach, it's very windy.
Be careful out there, Pankaj. We can see that the wind speeds are picking up. But just quickly, if you could also tell us, what is the advisory from the administration, from the government to Mumbaikars for today? Pankaj, can you hear me? All right, don't think we have... Pankaj, if you can hear me, go ahead.